As you know, on the Mac, delete key working similar to backspace on Windows standard PC. Sadly, on the Mac, there is no delete key similar to the delete key on the PC, so you have limited in this case. If I select entire table and press delete key on the Mac or backspace on the Windows, you will remove entire table and content. I undo that. But on the Windows, if I press delete key, only the content will be removed. It is also working for columns or rows. I could select entire column and press delete, or entire rows and delete, and remove the content. But if I press backspace key, it will delete the entire column and shift everything to the left. Or for the rows, backspace. But if I select part of my cells and then press backspace, you're gonna actually deleting the cells, not entire rows or columns. Here asking what would you like to do? Shift cells to the left, shift cells to the up, delete entire row or delete entire column. As an example, if I choose shift cells left, now we don't have two more columns, rows here. And if I choose after pressing backspace shift cells up, because it won't gonna be without rows, just create several rows empty in the bottom side. Look at here, I choose less and delete and cells up. The content will shift up and added several empty rows on very bottom. Maybe I could delete them and to be obvious. Allow me to show you backspace, shift cells up, okay, and we have 4 new cells there. And of course you could remove the entire rows or columns. To add rows or columns, we could go between the middle of lines and click. We could right click and insert the column to the left side or right side, rows above or below, or insert cells. Or we could go to the layout tab and we have same features on rows and columns. Insert right or left column, insert below or up row, and we could delete cells, column, row, or delete entire table.